So download SmartView and then install it in only single drive where whatever you install HFM client, right? Wherever you install HFM client, install SmartView in that drive only, and then click next, next, next. Once it is done, open SmartView Excel. So in Excel, you can see this SmartView icon. For example, if you don't see this SmartView icon, right? What should you do? Click on File, Options, Addins. So here you see, right, manage com add-ins, go. So if it is not ticked here, you cannot see this here, right? So click on file, options, add-ins, com add-ins, go. Tick this one, automatically you will see the SmartView icon. Close this and open, right? Everybody understood, right? So it doesn't mean that SmartView is not installed. If you don't see this icon, it doesn't mean that SmartView is not installed. Okay, you have disabled your add-ins. Okay, after that, click on this panel. Here you see private connections. See, you can put shared connections also. But shared connection, right? If you are using S-base planning, HFM, everything, then you can use shared connection. But we use it differently. Let me delete everything. Remove connection. Yes. Remove connection. So from here, delete connection URLs. So now everything is blank, right? You will see a blank screen like this. Clear? So click on create new connection. So here you have to give the URL. In the SmartView guide, I have given you the URL. Okay. So private connection. Click on create new connection. Click OK. URL. Here I have given you the URL. For planning this URL, for we are using HFM, so this one is the HFM URL. You can see, right, HFM ADF, HFM ADF. Copy this, simply paste it here. See, if you have any spaces like this, right, remove last spaces. Okay, click next. You can put it as set as default connection. Click next. If it is not responding, we have to wait. No other option. Don't force kill. Okay, Excel, right, it won't work. Just patiently wait. What happened? What is the problem here? Okay, just give me 1 second. I guess there is problem in the URL. So just give me 1 second. What is the problem? Right? So just give me 1 second. There is some problem between two URLs. Yes. So copy this. This is working one. and from the Excel SmartView guide, copy this and paste it here. Okay, this should not be there. This should not be there. Okay. Yes. So in the guide, right? I have wrongly put this. This should not be there. This should not be there. Please correct. Okay. Everyone, 1 minute. Let me delete this guide from here. So yes, delete message for everyone. Right. I'll put it again. Just give me 1 second. Once we connect, right, then we'll put it again. Right. Come here. Right. So come here. Password. Done. Expand server. Expand cluster. Application. Done. You can put anything. Right. Finish. Connect. Now we are good. When you click on this ad hoc analysis, you will get the POV. Yes, this is 100% correct. Are we clear? How to install SmartView and how to connect to the application? Yes or no?
Can you show it again? Where is
Right.
the document? Have you shared that
Yeah,
smart
yeah.
view
This
document?
document is there, right? Yes. So this is URL is correct now. So we'll test it again. Right click, remove connection. Yes. Click on here, delete all connections. Yes. Click OK. Right. We'll delete this one. Right. There is no connection. Right. Click on URL. Yes. Create new connection. So copy this as it is. Copy and paste it here. And then click next. Yes. Perfectly. It is working fine. Expand. Select the application and give any application name. You can give your name, my name, any name. Finish. Click on connect and click on ad hoc analysis. Right? Yes. So I'm sharing this document now. Save it. Right. You all got the documents, right? So yes, I'm again uploading the document here. So I'm changing the date to today's date. What is today's date? 17th September. 17 SCP. Yes. Done. So everybody got the SmartView download link and SmartView installation, right? Yes. Now SmartView. So here you see menus, right? All menus, each and every menu we'll discuss. Okay. First, ad hoc. When you click on ad hoc analysis, HFM ad hoc grid will be coming. So same. Whatever the grids you prepared now, right? 10 homework, 10 grids homework. We'll do the same in SmartView also. But SmartView will be very, very easy and very, very user friendly. See, we'll see all these zoom in, zoom out, each and everything. Right? Right. So, right. So just give me 1 second. Right. So ad hoc analysis. This one, ad hoc analysis. When you click on ad hoc analysis, HFM ad hoc will come. Right. So first zoom in. So what do you mean by zoom in here? Zoom in means zoom into all levels, zoom into next level. So just give me 1 second. When I click on this, right. See, here I put BS. So 1 minute. BS. What is my So click on member selection. What is my first member in account dimension? Total balance sheet, right? Yes. Now see, it is total balance sheet. So in zoom in, you have to, you have next level, all levels and bottom levels. When I click on next level, see, automatically, yeah, please mute. Yes. When you click on zoom into next level, it will immediately expand its children. So when I click on zoom into all levels, see, entire balance sheet will come here. So easy when compared to HFM, it is very very easy. So when I double click, what happens? See, everything will come, because in the smart view options, right here, data options, member options, I put zoom into all levels. If I put zoom into next level and if I save, now when I double click, right, it will only show next to two items. When I double click liabilities and equity, it will show. When I click on equity, it will show. When I click on liabilities, it will show liabilities. Likewise, yes, you need not select the members. Unlike HFM, right, it is very, very easy. The same thing, entity also. See, entity, I'll drag it to columns. So refresh. Only thing is, every time you have to refresh. So total geography, I'll drag it to now, right? Either ad hoc, zoom into all levels. See, all the entities will come, right? So this is called zoom in. Zoom out means, see, again it will collapse. So zoom in, zoom out. Pivot. Pivot means pivot to pov. Pivot means this January, when I click on pivot, it will become row. When I click on pivot, it will become column. Pivot to pivot means it will come back to the pivot bar again. This is pivot bar, right? See, January it came back. So pivot, pivot to pivot, right? Next. So I'll double click this. Now you want to keep only and remove only. So I want only US entities. Click on keep only. Remaining all entities will be deleted. So double click on US. Now I want to remove Stamford or Connecticut. Yes, remove only. Clear? So keep only, remove only. Zoom in, zoom out. Pivot, keep only, remove only. Right? So next, member selection. This is very, very important. Regularly we use this, right? So while creating the data forms, I told you how to get all the members at a time. So here, sheet 3, I will use it. So sheet 3, there is no ad hoc here because we are not connected. How do you know? When you click on these connections, you don't see a tick mark here. So in sheet 2, you can see, click on smart view connections. See, so this is called active connections. So every sheet can be connected to a different source. For example, sheet 2, HFM Baba application. Sheet 3, Sutej application. Sheet 4, S-base XYZ application. Sheet 5, planning XYZ application. So one sheet will be connected to one application, one different application. When I say different means, yes, different module also. S-base, planning, PCMCS, ARCS, etc., etc., cloud, etc., etc. Clear? So here you don't see any connection here, but still you can use this member selection. So click on this more, member selection. So this member selection item is irrespective of whether you connected or not, you can retrieve. But here remaining all other, right, keep only, zoom only, zoom only, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, remove only, all these items you have to be in grid, HFM ad hoc grid. You have to click on ad hoc analysis, then only you will see. Now see, click on more member selection. So go to entity dimension. So total geography, when you click on this arrow mark, see, what should we select here? Base or descendants or children or ancestors or parents? Which one? as per your convenience. I want all base members, yes. So here you see vertical and horizontal. This is horizontal and this is vertical. So yes, see all the base members came. Now I want to retrieve, right? I want to retrieve all the accounts. How do I do? Click on more, member selection, go to account dimension. I want total assets all base, but I want horizontally. Click on this horizontal button. See, this is how we create. Now I can create a template like this. So this member selection, regularly we use this. Everybody understood the importance of member selection? Yes or no? అర్థమైంది కదమ్మా? Yes. So
Yes, got it.
so remove
ఒకసారి
this.
రిపీట్ చేస్తారా?
Remove this. Once again, I'll do it from here. So click on member selection. Go to entity dimension. Select total geography, all base members, and then click on horizontal. Click OK. See? Refresh. Now again, total, delete this. Member selection. Go to account dimension. Expand total assets or total liabilities and equity, base members. This is vertical and click OK. Refresh. Now see all the data. Correct? So likewise, we create the templates. Okay. So we regularly use this member selection. Next, cell information. See? So cell information, when I click on this one, it is throwing an error message, not a valid member cell. Then where do you put? You have to put on the headings only. Click on this trade payables. Now what is cell information? ఏమొచ్చిందమ్మా ఇక్కడ? What do you got? Trade payables.
Trade payable.
When I click on Asia Hong Kong, again it will show Asia Hong Kong only. Now why? Means what is the use of then? It is if it is showing the same member, what is the use?
If there will be any more information given, then it will show that.
No, in live, right? Here we never use the member, we use the description. See, so let me open our HFM SmartView. Okay, management data open. Yes, this is 15th September, right? Yes. Come here. Account dimension, everything I put it as, right? Member as. So here I'll put it as in M hierarchy, we create one member. Okay. So that you'll understand. So in live, right? SmartView, SmartView. Okay, okay. This one. So yes, 101 100. Done. So here I'll put it as SmartView underscore CELLINFO. Cell info. Okay. Right. This is the member. What is my hierarchy? AC underscore M underscore HIERARCHY. So I'm saving this one as today's date. I will save it 17th September. Okay, done. 17th September, save. Now I'll load this metadata. Open, load, open application, load application elements. Choose metadata file, 17th September, always replace load. So whenever you load the metadata, you have to log off from all other tools. Means SmartView, it won't accept now. It will forcefully log off you. Why it is taking a lot of time? So if you observe any slowness, right, let me know. If there are many applications, it will behave like this. So come here. So if I click refresh, right, it will say, see, the system was unable to initialize the data grid because we have changed the metadata, right? So right click, disconnect, again connect. Now, right, yes, refresh. Now it will be okay. Now see here, 10100, refresh, done. Now again, click on this, click on this cell information 101 100. Now here I can use alias name also, means I can use, go to SmartView options, member options, here member name, right? I'll put description only. Now refresh. What is the description it is showing now? SmartView underscore cell info, right? Now click on this and get the cell information. Now you understood the difference, right? Yes or no? So in live, right, whenever you are creating a template, example, your income statement template, your balance sheet template, your cash flows template, right? Here we don't use the numbers here, but in live you enter the data for numbers, because we get the same data from SAP, right? SAP they will put 101 100. We'll use the same. So as per accounting convention, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all ones are assets, all two are liabilities, all three are expenses. No, no, revenues. All four, five expenses. Likewise, they will follow the naming convention. All numbers which start from one, assets. SAP people will follow this. Yes, we also follow the same here. So we always load the data with accounting numbers. It will be 5 digits or 6 digits as per SAP people. Okay, we follow the same. I told you, right? Whatever they put in SAP, we follow the same. So for everything, we put the description. Clear? Now everybody understood what is cell information, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, we understood.
Sorry?
Understood, understood.
Right. So what is smart slice? So whatever the grid you prepare, whatever the data form you prepare, everybody can use that one here, right? But smart view, it will be stored in our laptop. See this book one. So we got an issue, ticket. We got a ticket from the client that their balance sheet is not tallying. Now you are doing R&D, right? Example, right? Ravi is doing R&D. Yes, he has spent almost 8 hours and he could not do it. His shift is completed. Now he has to transfer that knowledge to some other shift handover, right? Some other person who is in shift. So he has to send this physical Excel sheet to him. Otherwise, when he shut down his laptop, this will be shut down. Nobody can use that. So when you create it as a smart slice, right? Yes, you can save it in the workspace. See, click on smart slice. See new smart slice. Click on done. It will ask for the okay. It will ask for the smart slice name. Ravi analysis. Done. Now I will close this Excel sheet and then I will log off and then I will log off and I will go for the, I mean, I will complete the shift and I will go home. Now again, next person comes, right? Excel, open Excel, new Excel. Yes, click on this smart view as usual panel. So private connection, yes, connect to the application, expand. It will ask for the user ID and password. So right, done. See, I can see Ravi analysis here. When I click on this, right? Yes, I can use this one. Now whatever the analysis he does, right, wherever he stopped, right, from there you can continue. Again you can click on smart slice. You can save with your name. Understood everyone? What is the meaning of smart slice? Yes or no? Here also you can see the smart slice. So double click on documents, refresh. See, but it won't be saved in any of the folder. Okay, it will be saved directly in the system. Yes, you want to delete this, delete. Done. It will be deleted from workspace. Whenever your analysis is completed, right, you can simply delete that one. And you can again close this Excel sheet. Clear, everybody? What you understood what is smart slice, right? So yes, again Excel. Yes, click on smart view panel, private connection, HFM cluster. Yes, done. So you can open all the grids, all the data forms, everything from Excel. Okay, everything from Excel. So normally in live, right, 90% in my case, I'm saying in support people, particularly in data application support, I never open this workspace. Immediately, whenever a client says, right, there is some data issue, I never even open the workspace like this. I always open my SmartView client only. Every analysis I do from here only. Clear? So ad hoc analysis again. So yes. So here everything is none, none, none. See? So when I open with admin, I got all the year and period and everything. But when I open with R Bompada, I did not get anything because see here there is 1 minute. When you click on SmartView here, right? Just give me when you click on functions, there is manage POV here. Here I can put a shortcut or I can save the POV. See, manage POV. So saved, there is nothing in the saved one, right? So active. So here I'll select the account as, right, what is the account? I'll put it as cash. Enter cash and data source, data input, entity India, ICP none movement, movements underscore cash, multi gap, local gap, period. Yes, I'll put, I mean year, period January, product laptop, actual entity currency scenario 2015, right? Okay, done. So this is my POV, right? I will save this in my here. I'll save this in this one complete book. See, that's it. Close. Now when I open new sheet and when I click on ad hoc analysis, right? Yeah, yeah, close and open it again. Now we will see, right, smart view panel, private connection, right, ad hoc analysis. Uh-huh. It's not saved. Why? Manage POV. Yes, it's not saved. Okay, let me open with admin. It will save actually. Right, Excel, right, click on OK. You can save your POV every month. You can change the year and period. That's it. So see, when I click on ad hoc analysis, see, automatically it will, all the members will come because in smart view functions manage POV, this I saved. See, this I saved. So wherever I select, right, oh okay, you have to save the workbook first. We did not save the workbook, right? That is the reason it did not come. First you have to save that one. So automatically whenever you click on new ad hoc analysis, all the members, whatever the members you selected, those will come. Okay, right. So zoom in, zoom out, pivot, keep only, remove only, member selection, cell information, smart slice. Everybody understood, right? Yes or no? So cascade and visual both are same. Cascade and visual both will work. The purpose is same. So yes, double click. Now pivot to POV. Yes, we have this one, right? So double click. We'll take this one, right? Yes, done. So I'll enter some random data: 100, 200, 300, 400. Submit. Okay, save. Whenever this is small irritating thing, whenever you change any members, right, it will ask for refresh. So yes, submit data. Done. Now you want to analyze this. So you have a huge data. You want to compare it with between your actual and budget. Yes, click on Cascade. You are seeing right Cascade in the same work or whatever it may be. Click on Cascade. Yes, click OK. Now see another sheet open. This is right. This sheet open. So you can change it to BUDGET and then you can compare. See, this is actual, this is budget. This is actual, this is budget. So cascade means for comparison, it will create another worksheet. Whereas visualize, right? See, when I click on visualize, right, it will. So see, I'm minimizing this one. Now when I click on visual, it will put the two Excel sheets side by side. See, this is here. I'll select BUDGET budget. Enter. Now see, you can compare your between your actual and budget. So Cascade and Visualize both will do the same work. Cascade will create another Excel sheet, whereas Visualize will create another workbook and put side by side. See, here you can see a linked report. See, this is the linked report. It will create a linked report and then it will put side by side so that comparison will be very, very easy. Now, once you've done all the changes, etc., you can close it either or you can save it as a rough work. Right? Everybody understood, right? Yes. This one also in data issues, not regularly but frequently we use this visualize. I never use Cascade, but I use visualize. Okay, it will be easy to compare, right? So this is called Cascade Visualize. So refresh all sheets. Yes, POV means when you click on this, your POV bar will be disappeared. When you click on this, it will come again. Right, next, cell comments. Yes, so here nothing but cell text. Yes, click on add button. I put it as click OK. So how do you see that it is cell? Sit, you can see a outline. Click on submit button. That's it. So another, yes, refresh. Yes, you can put another cell text, etc., from here. Cell comments again, right? You can put the cell text. Okay, click on OK and then submit button. See, automatically it will be a outline will be created so that you can understand that it is a cell text. Next, calculate, consolidate. Yes, you can do the translations from here. You can do the consolidations from here. See, but never do the consolidation from Excel, right? It will take lot of time in live. So yes, so I'll put it as US entity. Refresh. Done. Click on consolidate all with data. See, it will take a lot of time. Okay, because our data is very less. It will be done in 1 minute, but in live when you consolidate from Excel, right? Literally, it will take a lot of time. So never do calculations and consolidation from Excel, even though they have given option, right? Right. Next, it just drill through. This is used for reports, not for HFM. Okay, financial reporting. So when I click on this drill through, no drill through reports found, means it is only used for Hyperion financial reporting. Now what is adjust here? Yes, you can add fixed value, subtract, multiply, divide by, increase percentage, etc. So increase by 33%, adjust data, see, 133, submit. So it will do the all simple mathematical calculations. Again, click on adjust, decrease by 21%, adjust, submit data. 100% it will be correct. Okay, it is a calculator. So visualize, everybody understood, right? Submit data means submit. This query is also for reports. Okay, designer query for reports. This drill through and query is for Hyperion financial reports. Remaining everything we use it in HFM only. So all the options everybody understood, yes or no? Zoom in, zoom out, pivot, keep only, remove only, member selection, cell information, smart view, cascade, refresh, POV. So this is called HFM ad hoc analysis. So again, you have to understand some of the items in smart view also. So panel means this panel, left pane, right? When you click on panel, you will get it. See, I'm closing this one, click on panel. It is used to connect to the applications, different applications. Here you'll be seeing n number of applications, 5, 10, 12, etc, etc. Connections means it will show the active connection, recently used connections. Okay, right. Next, undo, redo. So here we have done some changes, right? When I click on undo, 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 it is nothing but control Z. So here control Z and control Y will not work, only undo and redo will work. Redo, 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 right? Likewise undo and redo. So how many undos and how many redos? In the options we clearly mention here, in the advanced options there will be 9 undo options, 9 redo options. If you want to increase it, yes, you can increase. If you want to decrease it, you can decrease. Undo, redo. Next, copy, paste. So what do you mean by copy and paste? This is not normal copy and normal paste. Okay, this is copying and pasting the data points. Okay, so yes, just give me 1 second, refresh. Now for management reporting, we never use this copy and paste in live as a consultant, because we never use PPT and we never use Word. But in live, right, end users will always present their data to the management, right? They do it in PPT. Yes, when you do it in PPT, I'll copy this. See, I'll there is no PPT in my system, so I'm using Word. Okay, Word document. Yes, here also you see smart view. See, so here, copy this one. It's not normal copy, okay? Copy here. And then come here and paste it here. Refresh. See? So, yes, you can design it, you can do whatever want out of it to contents. Done? Now, you have created a very good presentation, PPT. Everything is done. After you presented the PPT, the data is changed. Here I put 999, 888, 777, 666. Submit the data. All the figures are changed. You need not change it in Word. Automatically click here and refresh. See? Clear? So this is how we use copy and paste. Copy and paste means, for example, if you do a normal copy and paste, then copy, Control C, paste it here, Control V. It's a normal copy and paste. When you refresh, it doesn't happen. But when you copy and paste from menu, it will create a data points. Okay? Clear? Difference
Can we
between,
have a chart also available
yes,
in this?
everything, chart, PPTs, by pie chart, everything you can do. Yes, Okay, now when you click on this visualize in Excel, this one I guess. From here you can use visualize in Excel here again. Data fields. This one is data field, right? Yes. So I guess this should not be there. I never used this word, but yes, still you can do that one. Okay. But as a consultant, not even one time. We touch this not even one time. So next functions, we'll use that one. Refresh, you all know, right? Refresh and refresh all sheets, submit data. Options. Yes, we regularly use this member options and data options. Advanced ones, formatting, cell styles. Never touch this. Okay, all these are colors. By seeing the colors, you will understand what is the member cell, what is add member, what is orange means invalid intersection, etc. So never touch this one. Don't change those colors. So member options. Yes, zoom into all level. I'll put all levels. Set as default. Now, when I click on this, for example, when I click on refresh, double click, see, all the members under total assets will come. That is called zoom into all levels. Member name or description, whatever you want. Indentation. What do you mean by indentation? I always put none only in live because it will be irritating if you put sub item or totals. See why it is irritating? It will show the parent child relation. See now, under total assets, current assets, under current assets, cash and cash equivalents. Yes, it will be very good actually. But why it is irritating, in live you will be seeing some 10 to 12 generations. So your cell will become like this. You will literally, you will see this much of big cells. So in live I never use, particularly myself, I never use this indentation. Okay, right, click no. Now see, it will adjust it to last one, whatever is there, right? So when you put indentation, I told you, right, you don't see the data will be gone extreme right side. So it will be very irritating to move this like this, because we will be analyzing the data, we don't bother about the names. Okay, so only thing is, whenever you got a ticket, right, you concentrate on the data, not the members. That is called ancestor position always top. Yes, when you put bottom, right, then automatically it will go to bottom. So include selection, we leave default. Data options, suppress. When I click on this suppress, refresh, all the data which is zero will go. So again, it depends. Yes, if you want to use, you can use. Otherwise, yes, we use and we don't use. Next, hash numeric zero. So if I put hash missing, refresh now. See, TOTLASSETS, refresh, and then double click. See, everything will become hash missing. This one also very irritating to me. So here I will always say hash numeric zero, so that it will show zero. See, this zero is not zero. Okay, it's only a display zero. So when I untick this zero, refresh. See, if I want to make it as zero, see, when I submit, it won't submit that zero. See, so actually zero is not a zero here. Okay, it's only a display zero. Now when I click on submit zero, now yeah. One second, sir. Instead of zero, can we use any symbols like icon? Yes, previously you can use, but now they have given a drop down box as two only. You cannot use anything, I guess. Okay. I guess 1 minute, we can use, I guess. Refresh. Aha, yes, you can use. Okay, anything you can use. Go to SmartView options. This one I'll put it as hash numeric zero. Right. So submit zero. Right. Refresh. When I click on submit zero now, it will be submitted now. Done. Yes. So zero is a data in HFM. You have to remember that one. Next, here you can see cell display data calculation status means, you will understand this in process management where we stare. where we stage cn means consolidation needed, ch means changed, etc., etc. Again, process management means not started, etc. First pass, everything is in first pass. In process management chapter, I'll explain you what is this data status. Okay, so sometimes you have to navigate without data. So in interviews, somebody asked this question last month. So it will show only layout, it won't show any data. See, so you want to send the, I mean, intercompany elimination grid, or you have seen, right, what is the toughest grid? We have created one zero view settings, or likewise you want to send it over the mail. Okay, the layout. Now, right, whenever you are sending client information, if data is shown, right, then it will be a data in the audit issue. Then yes, you can take the screenshot and then you can send it. So here, sometimes, right, whenever you are presenting to the client, you don't want to show data, then navigate without data, you will put that one, then automatically data will not be seen. 1 minute, just give me 1 second, go to here and we will put data, refresh, right? So these are the smart view options. Advanced options, I told you, right, we never touch this one also, never touch, leave default. Formatting also leave default. So sometimes yes, we put this 1000 separator as per the country specific, we put this, but remaining everything leave default. This is called smart view, right? Any doubts? So help means help, sheet information means it will, sorry, help will open a new, right? So this one, see, more, more means import my data. See, this is from movement from any migration from any other application, means it's only a worksheets. Okay, we never use this one also, we'll always copy. So we leave anything? Functions, very 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 important. So what is meant by functions? Nothing but formulas. Okay, come here, see, click on functions. You can write down the notes for functions, please. Put heading functions. First function, get value. First function, get value. It is used to retrieve the data from HFM to Excel. Get value. It is used to retrieve the data from HFM to Excel. So click on OK. So what is my connection? Yes, you have to select the members. See all the members. For you, it will be blank because I have saved, right? Yes, click OK. Refresh. So this is sales. See, 2016. Now come here, here we are in 2016, income from sales, right? So yes, I put it as INDIA, India. Refresh. So what is the member, sorry, what is the member here we have taken? In T currency, total geography, right? Yes, we have to put it as India. Refresh. See, 100. So in the grid, when you put it as 777 and submit the data, now you can refresh it here and you can see functions. Okay, same thing, salaries. So change the account from income from sales to salary, spelling mistake. Refresh. Now come here, put it as refresh, 0 right, put 666, submit data. Now see here, when you refresh, it will be refreshed. So why do we need functions? So here I want to create my balance sheet. Can I create it in vertical format? Is it possible? No, but here, yes, you can put a assets here, liabilities here, and then current assets. Yes, with formulas, you can beautifully create your balance sheet template. Understood? Everyone understood? That is the reason we always use formulas. We'll create a balance sheet template. We'll create an income statement template, and regularly we refresh. Okay. So this is get value, right? So here it is INDA India. We'll put as HONG KONG Hong Kong, refresh. So yes, copy this. So here income from sales, I'll change my India to Hong Kong. Here I'll change my entity as India to Hong Kong. Refresh. It will come as 00, right? Yes. Refresh. 444555 and submit the data. Now you will see it here. Refresh. Done. This is called get value. Get value means yes, you can retrieve the data from HFM to Excel with the formula. So did I write this formula, entire formula? No, it's only selection of members. Right? Write down. Second one. Set value. Set value. It is used. Set value. It is used to send the data from. It is used to send the data from Excel to HFM. So yes, copy this. I'll put it here. I'll put it here. For set value, I need data somewhere. I have to put the data somewhere, right? So I'll put it as here 111 222 333 444. So here I'll build the formula, right? So here this is get value and this is set value. So here I'll build the formula. How do I build the formula? Chapanama, what are the steps to build the formula? Click on functions and then please try build function
Build
and then
function.
set value. So here it is asking for the text. So click on this and select here. Okay. Now connection name is whatever the Baba HFM. This is the connection name. Here right side you are seeing, right? So member list. I'll select the member list. This one I'll select it as India. Remaining everything, what are the member you have to select? Yes, click OK and then OK, right? Yes, copy this and put it here. So here change the Hong Kong to, I mean India to Hong Kong. Paste it here and change the account income from sales to salaries, right? Here change India to Hong Kong. That's it. When I submit button, automatically this should change because this is get value, right? See 111 222 333 444. Here also it will change. Refresh. Yes, this is called set value. For set value, you have to keep the data somewhere and then you have to call the data. So I'm keeping my data here and I'm calling it from here. See L4 data, whatever the data is there in L4, send it to the system. That is called set value. అందరికి అర్థమైందమ్మా? You understood, right? Difference between get value and set value? Yes or no? Next, again, functions, build function. Next, get a text. Write down. Get a text. It is used to retrieve the text. It is used to retrieve the text. Set text, it is used to send the cell text. It is used to send the cell text. So instead of what is the formula, instead of value, you have to change the text here. That's it. So yes, so everything set value, right? So t value done. So in the formula, control H, here instead of value, I have to put text. Text, text. That's it. Replace all. Done. So refresh. There is no text here. So here I'll put my name. Inka, I want two more names and one more name. Then submit data. See, here it changed, right? Now come here and see refresh. You will see a outline circle. See, it means we entered the cell text. So yes, if you want to enter mass cell text, right? Yes, you can always enter the cell text. Next, SmartView functions, build function, get variable, HS get variable. It is used in FCCS. Write down. It is used in FCCS variable substitution variables. It is used in FCCS substitution variables. Substitution variables. Next, HS description. Yes. So right, connection name. Yes. Member list. So what is the account? So in account dimension, account dimension. So member hierarchy. This is my right. So yes, refresh. చెప్పండి అమ్మా ఏమొస్తుంది? Description means smart view cell info. Yes, this is called description. Description, description. Next, build function hs dot currency. It retrieves the currencies. So I want to retrieve all the currencies of all entities. How do I do that one? First I will put the entities here. Click on more, member selection, go to entity dimension, total geography, all base members. Yes, vertical. Now here I will put my formula is equal to function, build function hs currency. So yes, connection. Now select any entity, total geography, right? Put it as Hong Kong. Now click OK and then click refresh. See HKD. Now when I click on this one here, right? You have to understand this one. So to combine formula and cell reference, double quotes, n person, cell reference, and person, double quotes. అందరూ ఇది రాసుకోండి అమ్మా ప్లీజ్. Everybody write down this. It will be very very useful because you have to come always combine your formula and cell reference. So I'll show you now. To combine formula and cell, A1 is a cell reference. I have given a generic cell, A1, first cell. So here I have to combine, right? So here I'll remove this Hong Kong. Double quotes, end person. What is the cell reference here? Where is my Hong Kong? E6, right? E6. Again, end person, double quotes. Done. Now come here and use the same formula, right? You got right for all the currencies. You got all the for all the entities. You got all the currencies. Simple. So we regularly use this double quotes, end person, cell reference, end person, and double quotes. So whenever you want to combine your formula as well as cell reference, then you have to use this one. See, right? Next function. So label, yes, you are using the description. Then you want to retrieve the label. Yes, come here. So yes, so entity dimension, yes, total geography. Whenever you are using the numbers, we never use in life, not even one time in my entire life. I never used this function, not even one time. But that is the purpose. Next, alias. Write down. It is used for FCCS alias names. It is used for FCCS alias names. Next, get sheet info. So this get sheet info, right? This is a complete set of get a sheet info. So see, there are many functions here. First function, click on build function, get sheet info, right? See, sheet property, connected or not? No, this is not connected. Now click on connections, tick this one. Now again, F2, enter. It is connected. See whether your sheet is connected or not. Build function. Next, guest sheet info. Second one is sheet type, empty. Copy this and put it here. It will show ad hoc. So here, empty function. This is function. So here we open one any form. Where is the form? This is form, right? Yes. Now paste it here. Copy this and paste it here. This is, sorry, Control Z, copy and paste it here. This is form. So it will tell you the type of form, whether it is empty form, whether it is function, whether it is grid, whether it is form, etc. Next, build function, get sheet info. So server, it will show the cluster name. Function, build function, get sheet info. When you show the application, it will show the application name. Build function, get sheet info. It will show the next one, cube. This is used for FCCS. It will show the console cube. HFM, there is no concept of cube, so not applicable. Click on function, build function, get sheet info, and then provider, Hyperion Financial Management. Provider URL, it won't show, it will say not applicable because that is used for planning, Hyperion planning. There will be a separate URL. For HFM, it is not applicable. Again, get sheet info. Friendly name. So whatever the name you have given it here, right? Baba HFM, this one. This is the friendly name. So get sheet info, build function, get sheet info. Next is alias table. This is for FCCS. Right? Next. Sorry. Build function, get sheet info. User, admin. Build function, get sheet info. Description. So here it is not applicable, right? So yes, whatever the description you put here, modify connection. So click next, click next. This is the friendly name. Here we have to right, finish. Now see, description is that one, right? Yes. Next, click on functions, build functions, get sheet info. Now last retrieved, it will show you the date. Actually here it is not available, right? But in grids, right, when you put this one, it will show the time when the grid is retrieved, when the form is retrieved. Clear? So it is not the correct time. Whenever you refresh this form, right, that one it will show 8:13 here, 8:07. See? So yes, we'll regularly use that in live. Next is last one completed, right? Build function, get sheet info. That's it. So these are the functions we regularly use. Clear? This is
We need to
called,
retrieve one by one, or is there any way to get all the details in
yeah,
one
all
shot?
the means one by it's a one time activity, right? You can put all the formulas somewhere. While creating your template, you will put all this in particular cells. That's it, right? So these are called functions. Yeah, please mute, please mute. So see, functions are very, 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 very important. Once again, I'm saying remaining ad hoc grid, right? You can manage by trial and error. But functions, don't be afraid by seeing the very huge functions. పెద్ద పెద్ద ఫంక్షన్స్ చూసి మీరు ఎప్పుడు వరి అవ్వద్దమ్మా ఎవ్వరు కూడా ప్లీజ్. సో కెన్ ఐ యూజ్ ఎక్సెల్ ఫంక్షన్స్? ఎస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్. నౌ ఎనీబడి హూ ఈస్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఇన్ ఎక్సెల్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ టీమ్?
Yes, I'm good at it.
So yes, so 10 minutes we'll play with that Excel. Okay, so here you are seeing all the surnames, right? Now I want to retrieve only surname, not the complete name. Bompada, Akula, Krishna, Prashant. Can you tell me how do we do that? Right? Just
We
give me.
can we can split it out. Well, text to column we can do this spacing.
No, text to column means it should be only one column. This column will disappear. It is not possible text to column.
You have to use sum
We have to use.
for VLOOKUP.
No, no, no. I want only this. I'm asking only this. Just give me 1 second. This one.
You have to write what text you want and arrow inverted commas.
No. Okay. So you have to use right function or left function. Right is equal to right. RIGHT, right function is equal to RIGHT. If you are not very good, then okay. So 3367 done. But when I paste it here, it will not come correctly. It will not come correctly. It will not come correctly because these both are same. So it came. But right, see, with one function you cannot do that one. So with one function I want everything. With single function, you tell me what to do. Can anybody tell? I want with one function I want to retrieve the all the surnames. So with one function I cannot retrieve this. Somebody is telling yes.
I do not. It's not
Yeah.
possible.
So see, advanced Excel I am telling. Okay, if you understand, then fine. Otherwise, leave it. So what is the common in this four? What is the common in this four?
Space.
Space. So after space, whatever is there, we can retrieve, right? That is my logic. Yes or no? Is my logic correct?
Yes.
So yes. So first one is remove this. First you have to find. You have to use find function with space is equal to find defined. So double quotes space double quotes comma here. So seventh, here it is eighth, here it is fifth, here it is 10th. Correct? So now I have to know the entire length. Second function I use is len. Length function is equal to len length of this one. Total length is 14, 13, 12 and 14. Now I'll use my find function here. Sorry, right function. So is equal to RIGHT, right of comma 14 minus 7. Correct? Easy anamma? Yes or no? Is it easy or not? So
Indent I
yes,
never got.
you can use all Excel functions in Hyperion functions also. But see, I'll tell you. Now this one, if I remove this one, this is of no use. So I want everything in single function. Now I have to combine, I have to use function. So right, come here, copy this function and put it in notepad. See, it is very easy. Only thing is you don't know the technique. Length function, copy this and put it here, but remove this is equal to before. Okay, remove this and remove this one also. Next one is copy this function and put it here. So see here, if I delete this one, if I delete this one, if I delete this one, this function is of no use. If I delete this one also, this function is no use. So that is the reason I don't want any dependency. Remove this. Now I'll use this function. See, so right, so find. So here this one is, see, D11 and this one is D14, right? So D11, D14. D14 is length function. So copy this length function and put it in D11. And copy this find function and put it in D11, D14 and D11. That's it. A single. So this is right of length of find. Copy this and put it here. Done with single function. There is no dependency here. If you delete all this also, it doesn't matter now. See, this is how we use the functions. Right of length of find. Now can I retrieve this one? Yes, this is also possible. Copy this entire formula. So here, wherever is D6, so put it here first. Put it somewhere here. Remove this is equal to. And see here, format word wrap, remove word wrap. This should be in single line. So shift and copy that. Right? Now see D6. Wherever you see D6, copy D6. Copy D6. Copy. Here now copy. Come here, remove this and put it here. Right? You got right? So even though our entire data is Rajini.Bampada, I got only Bampada. Now tell me, literally tell me, I'll put it as word wrap. Literally tell me, did I write this entire formula? ఈ ఫార్ములా మొత్తం నేను మాన్యువల్గా రాశానమ్మా. This much of big formula. Did I write it manually? Yes or no?
No.
No. Means whenever in live, whenever you see this much of big formulas, that means what you first of all, you should not be afraid or you should not be confused. First thing you should get in your mind is somebody used some technique, and right? Yes or no? Ante kadamma, that you have to understand. ఇంత పెద్ద ఫార్ములా చూడంగానే మీకు వెరీ క్లియర్గా అర్థమైపోవాలి. దేర్ ఈస్ సమ్ టెక్నిక్ టు క్రియేట్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో దట్ ఫార్ములా. క్లియర్? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Now what is template? Every month I need to enter some data. What do you mean by template? Now I want you to create one data retrieve template and data send template. Shall we do it now? A very simple template. See, so here, okay, so right, remove everything. Done. Remove everything from here. So here I'll select the member selection. I'll select, so account dimension account dimension, income statement, all base members. Done. Refresh. And here member selection, entity dimension, all total geography, base members, and it should be in horizontal. Done. Refresh. There is no data at all. Okay, if there is data, we enter some data. 1 1 2 2, right? So I want to put it. Done. Just give me 1 second. Submit. Now I will put all this data. Why it is not coming? Sorry, cancel. Then submit. Then this one I want to retrieve it as a template. What do you mean by template here? So every time I don't want to change the formula. Clear? So yes, the same thing I'll put it here. So copy this and paste it as. So remove all this data. Now first you have to create one single formula. When you copy and paste, right? It should paste, copy and paste everywhere. For that one, you need a small technique. So I'll put it in, and this one I'll put it in. Now, can anybody tell me the formula where if I paste that formula everywhere, it should get the correct result? Is equal to 1 plus 1. So when I paste it here, it is wrong, right? So can anybody tell me how to do that? Somebody told who is expert in Excel.
We'll put the dollar sign over there.
Where?
We'll fix for
Where?
yeah. In F4 we fix dollar.
F4. I'll put F4. So dollar. Now copy and paste it. Right. So done. Is this correct? Yes or no? Correct or not? Yes or no? Everyone. You
For
are.
F4 dollar, I think we have to change it only for the column. That's also fixed for the row.
So if I change the numbers now, it will be wrong. See? So 19 plus 10, it should be 29. It is showing 20. So if both the numbers are same, it is so. Here you have to understand where to put the dollar symbol. So I colored. What is the row number? Chapanamma, what is the row number? Row number
Three.
3.
Yes, sir.
And what is the column name?
F.
So
Right.
put dollar before that one. So before F put dollar symbol, and before 3 put dollar symbol. That's it. Now right. See, this is correct now. If you change these numbers also, this will be correct. So Alt AS and put it as 4. It doesn't matter. 37 plus 10, 20, 47. See? So this is called freezing of cells. So you have to understand this freezing of cells, where to freeze and where not to freeze. So here we'll create a template now. So we'll build one function. Click on function, build function, get value. Yes. So select the HFM and select the yes. Click OK. Refresh. So refresh. So here it is showing 0. So here you have to change the member to Hong Kong. HONG Hong Kong. Refresh. So we see, is it correct? Hong Kong 13. So something is wrong. So where what is the POV here? You have taken 2016 NT currency ICP no movement is correct. So yes, 2016 actual period
Sir,
is,
entity Asia ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ
sorry, Asia.
Hong
No issues, no issues. It doesn't matter. So why it is not movement, no movement in data input local gap? So is this local gap? Yes, January 2016, January, right? Only one thing you have to correct. Remaining all will be automatically corrected. So this is discontinued operations income. Yes, Hong Kong should be 11. Right. So data input ఎక్కడ తప్పు చేసాము చూడమ్మా, ల్యాప్టాప్స్ ఎంటిటీ కరెన్సీ ఐసిపి నన్ను, ల్యాప్టాప్స్ ఎంటిటీ కరెన్సీ ఐసిపి నన్.
Sir, entity Asia dot Hong Kong పెట్టాలా sir?
అవసరం లేదు, నో నీడ్. టూ థౌజండ్
Sir,
సిక్స్టీన్
movement
మూమెంట్ నో మూమెంట్, ఇక్కడ మూమెంట్ నో మూమెంట్ 2016 జనవరి కరెక్ట్. ఎక్కడ తప్పిందమ్మా? సినారియో యాక్చువల్ 2016 పీరియడ్ జనవరి, సినారియో వ్యూ హాంకాంగ్ హెచ్వైఎన్జి హాంకాంగ్ ఎంటిటీ కరెన్సీ అకౌంట్ ఇన్కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ సేల్స్. Yes, this is the wrong. So you have to use this one, right? So yes, I will use this function now. See, I told you, right? Combine formula and cell reference and freezing of cells. So come here. So here instead of Hong Kong, I have to use double quotes n percent B1, right? B1 n percent double quotes. Again, income from sales. Remove this. Again, double quotes n percent A2. A2 n% double quotes. Refresh and see now. You will get the correct 11. Correct? Yes, this formula, if I paste it here, it won't be pasted. It will not come correctly. See? It will throw error message. Sorry. It will throw error messages. Refresh. Invalid. Only first cell is correct because we did not freeze the cell. So what to freeze and what not to freeze? ఏంటిదమ్మా? A అనే కాలం ఫ్రీజ్ చేయాలి and row 1 అనే row freeze cell. So here B1 before 1 put dollar symbol, and here before A put dollar symbol. That's it. Now copy everything here and then copy everything here and then refresh and see, you will see the data, right? What's in that? Same data, right? With functions, with single function. Now even this is not 100% means what do you say, flexible. So here what I will do is, here I'll put my year and PER I got it period. Here I'll put my year as 2016 and Jan. Here, right? Now I'll completely fix my period 2016. So double quotes end percent B1 end percent double quotes. So here B1 I'll completely fix, means before and after I'll put, means fixing the one cell. Likewise here also double quotes n percent B2 n percent double quotes. I'll put formulas before B and 2 both. Right now, see, done. That's it. Refresh. Now select February here. Refresh. There is no data in February. అర్థమైంది కదా అందరికి? The same thing, I'll create a template for set value also. Yes, copy this. So here I'll put another sheet. Copy this and put it here. Right? So here instead of get value, right, change it to set value. So before setting the value, right, you have to enter the data somewhere, right? So copy this and put your data here. So here remove this, so put it as 111, right? So one formula you have to create. So yes, select this now, get value, we'll put it as set value, control H, set value, set value. Here it will be set value, set value, and here I have to put it as a some B18 double quotes, comma, replace all. Done. Invalid input, right? So yes, set value B20. So just give me 1 second, we'll go to the here. What is the, okay, there is no double quotes, so right, so yes, 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 so this should be B20, that's it. So B20 comma set text, set value, remaining everything is correct. So HS set value B20. So actually we have to prepare one, okay, I'll remove this and I'll prepare that one, that will be correct. So click on build function, set value. Okay, my value is in here B21, right? Connection is this one, yes. Okay, okay. Now here I'll change my year, double quotes, end person B1, end person double quotes, I'll fix the B1, yes. Second, here January, double quotes, end person B2, end person double quotes, fix this one. And here it will be B5, double quotes, and person B5, and person double quotes, it's only I have to put it before $5. Next is account, income from sales, double quotes, and person A5, A5, and person double quotes, so before A, dollar symbol, that's it. So there is some problem here, it should be B, entity should be B4. Okay, right, now this is clear, right? Now submit, data is submitted. Now you can check it here, February, refresh, right? Yes, change it to 2017, refresh. If you want, you can change it to 2017 and then submit the data, refresh, 2017, submit the data, that's it, that is submitted. Now refresh, it will show the data now, see? So this is called templates. Clear? Yes, we create very, very big templates, right? So yes, I'm stopping the recording.